Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just realized something while I was waiting on that other. When you're using Corel for math and you rotate this one 14 degrees, I just made it. Well, let's make it back to the original. Let's make it 14.5 degrees to make it a little difficult. And then you make a duplicate of it. Before I would use the Smart Fill tool, and then that would go back to 0. But if you needed to make it an additional 17 degrees, you can just hit the plus sign and 17 degrees, and there's your 31 degrees, 31 and a half. Then you make another duplicate, Control D, and you could go plus 17 more degrees, and you get to 48 and a half. So you don't have to use the Smart Fill tool, even though it's convenient to me. But if you needed to have something that's not at 0, you could still, instead of going 17 plus 14 and a half is 31 and a half, figuring that out in your head or getting out a calculator if it's a different number than that, you could continuously change it just by adding plus your 17 degrees. That's pretty cool. I knew it worked in the other boxes, but never in the rotation part. Thank you, and hope that helped.